In the previous tutorial, we discussed about how to create an Angular project. Here we are going to discuss about how we got this particular user interface from Angular. In the SRC folder, we can see an index.html. Angular is a single page application development framework. Okay, so here, if I remove this particular thing from the body, Control X, I'm cutting that and saving it. File, save. If you look at the user interface, you see nothing there, right? So here I'm typing, hi Vijesh, save, see hi Vijesh. Pasting that particular thing again here, app-root, right? So what is this app-root? If you look at this particular app folder, we can see app module.ts. Here we can see the module configuration of Angular. This is actually a TypeScript file. Here we have a class called app module. App module has a decorator called ng module, and here we have a lot of information about declaration, imports, providers, bootstrap, and all. We'll discuss that in detail later. Okay. Now here we have mentioned that there is a component called app component. So what is this app component? This app component is from app.component TypeScript file. There is a file here, you can see app.component.ts. So here what we can see, here we can see a TypeScript file, class app component, title equal to first app, correct? And here there is another decorator called component, and in this component here we can see a selector with name approot and the template URL and the style URL. In Angular, any UI component has a TypeScript class and an HTML file and a associated CSS file and a name for that. That is called a selector. And we mark that in a decorator called component. And here we have to import that particular component from Angular core. Now, this is the selector we have used here in this particular index.html. Inside the body, we have used approot. Now, approot is this particular app component.ts, and this app component.ts has a HTML, right? So let's open that particular HTML file. So this is the HTML file. This is the HTML getting from this particular app component.html. And this particular HTML can be edited. Delete this particular HTML content and type our content. Save all. Now see, Angular has refreshed the page. This is my page. Now there is a CSS file associated with this. So if you want to provide any CSS, maybe like h1 file, save all. See, the style got applied. In Angular, we create many UI components having HTML, CSS, and a TypeScript file, and wire those components together to form an application. I hope you got some idea about basics behind how we got that particular home page which we have seen initially. in upcoming sessions, we will see how to create our own components to create user interface. If you find this tutorial useful, please subscribe this channel and share with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching this.